Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about RPN. What does RPN mean in FMEA? Today we're going to be talking about what does RPN mean in FMEA. So we have to first ask the question, have you ever wondered how companies prevent product failures / mechanical breakdowns? Have you ever wondered how do the products just keep on coming in with no errors in them or just anything wrong with the model? Well, one key tool in that is the risk priority number, aka the RPN, okay, which plays a vital role in failure modes and effects analysis, okay? So what this does is basically checks on it. What it does, okay, is it checks to see if there's like some risk and if there's any failure in it. So it's basically there to help check the problems with it and see what we should do with it, to see if there's something we have to change immediately with the problem or not. That's basically what it does. Now, risk priority number, how this works is basically it basically shows the risk associated with failure modes. Well, the differences in failure modes, okay, which allows engineers to prioritize which things they have to fix first. So how does it work? Well, it works with a simple equation with three things times each other, okay? These three things include severity, occurrence, and detection. And these are scored out of 1 to 10 on each one. Now let's look at each one in detail. Severity basically means how severe the failure is. So let's say if this mechanical breakdown actually happened, if it's near like the lower side, that means it could just be like a minor inconvenience or just something wrong with it, right? But if it's at a higher number, that means if the failure does happen, okay, that means it could actually be very bad and can lead to injuries, okay? The next one, being occurrence, basically shows how likely it is to happen, okay? So, for example, if it's near the lower side, that means it won't pop up that much. It's just a rare occurrence. While if it's near the higher side, that basically means it'll pop up a lot of times and can be very dangerous depending on the severity. Then the last part is detection. This basically shows how easy it is to catch these errors, okay, and these failures before anything bad actually happens, okay? So if it's like near a 1, that means it's super easy to spot out. But if it's near on the higher side, that means it's more difficult to find out before something could actually happen. So they're scored out of a 1 to 10 on each of them. And then how it works is we time each of them, okay? So severity times occurrence times detection will equal. So the final score, if it's near 1, then that means the risk is the risk priority number would be low. While if it's at the highest, being 1,000, that means the risk is super high and can be very likely to happen. Now we need this so that way, one, it helps improves the models for changes and safety enhancements to make sure these risks don't happen again. Then we can go through the RPN entirely to see if the changes were effective enough. Okay, so that's basically what RPN means in FMEA. Okay, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time.